Good morning and welcome back from a long weekend. I hope everybody enjoyed their extra day off and had a wonderful Memorial Day. We're about to get ready for week 6 of the 4th marking period and another week of virtual learning. Here are your assignments for the week of May 26th through June 1st. As always, you'll have your Reading Plus dashboard. You need to complete 2 readings over 70%, a vocabulary lesson, as well as a visual skills lesson. Okay, this week your dashboard will be due on Saturday, May 30th. This week for Reading Plus, it's really important for you to complete it because this is our last week of Reading Plus. After this week, we will no longer have access to the program. So it's really important that A, you finish your dashboard, and B, if you do finish your dashboard and you are missing any Reading Plus assignments, that you complete a few extra, because after this week, you cannot make up any more Reading Plus. In addition to your Reading Plus, you will have an Act 1 Crucible quiz, which will be due Monday, June 1st. This is a Google form. This will also be a graded assignment. Any of the materials that you have available to you, you can use. So the text with all of the annotations, you can use that as you're taking the quiz, as well as utilize the questions that you have been completing for Act 1 that you've been submitting. Okay, so the materials that are available to you are obviously this slideshow video. You'll have the week 6 slideshow, so you can click through it at your leisure. You'll have the Crucible Act 1 quiz, which once again is a Google form and will be graded. And then you'll also have the Crucible text that is annotated for you. And then you also have access to your questions for Act 1 in Google Classroom as well. So what you're submitting this week, you have your Act 1 quiz. Remember, that is a Google form. I would recommend that on Tuesday, today, that you complete your Act 1 quiz. If you complete it and you're not satisfied with the grade that you earn, go ahead and complete it for a second time. And if you don't like that grade, you can do it again. So you can do it as many times as you want until you get a grade that you're satisfied with. If you use the materials that are available to you, you probably won't have to take it that many times. So hopefully you've been reading and understanding all of the information so you can take the quiz 1 and you'll be satisfied with your grade. Then on Thursday, I would recommend that you complete your Reading Plus dashboard. If you have any missing dashboard assignments, I would recommend that maybe you put in a little bit of work on Wednesday and or Friday or even on Saturday so you can make up those zeros in the grade book, okay? Because once again, this is your last week to do any Reading Plus. After this week, the zeros will stay for the Reading Plus dashboards and quiz. So please, if you have anything that's missing when it comes to Reading Plus, let's make sure we get it done this week. Okay, so reminders for your due dates. The Crucible Act 1 quiz, that will be due on Monday, June 1st, and your Reading Plus dashboard is due on Saturday, May 30th. As always, if you need any help, if you just want to check in, if you have any questions, you can contact me through Google Hangouts. You can send me an email. You can ask to set up a Google Meet, and I will be happy to accommodate you in any way that you need.